Hello everyone, we are starting lesson 5 and I really love this because as you'll come to, I went to the content page and then clicked on lesson 5. So just a reminder of how I do that. Once you click on lesson 5 and sorry, let me just click there. It will give you just an overview of the objectives for this week and what is due first half by Wednesday night and then Saturday night. So it's about academic planning and career exploration. And I love it because when I was in college, I took a life skills class and we did this topic and explored different careers. This is how I decided to go into teaching. So I'm grateful for this topic and I'm excited for you to explore it. I want to first just talk about discussion boards. Make sure you are posting by Wednesday night your first post and have it be at least 3 sentences long so that you can answer the prompt. There are different prompts. I'm going to show you. When you go into there, let me see if I can just, hold on, get there. So one thing I want to clarify, once again, the questions and conversation board, that is just where you will go to ask questions, to talk about your gathering, and that's why, anyway, so it's in the pre-gathering. I'll just stay on the pre-gathering page because you have the questions and conversations, and then if you go down, it's kind of hidden, so it's hard to see it a little bit. Academic planning and career exploration, the topic for this week, discussion. This is where you put your initial post. This is where your post goes. And there are prompts. It says choose one of these to respond. So yeah, there's 3 options, but you just pick one. So this one, do you want to answer that prompt, that one, or that one? Each week I'm going to give you a challenge in the discussion board. So your challenge, and I will post this when on the discussion board. Your challenge on the discussion board this week is, and it's a great learning experience, is to make sure when you are posting that I would love if we could have the prompt that you're answering be either at the very top of your discussion post or in the subject, so that we know which prompt you're responding to. Are you responding to this one, or this one, or that one? So have that be your subject or the very top of your post so that we know which one you're responding to. Then respond to 3 peers, and it needs to be, sometimes people ask questions about your post or they make comments and you comment back. That is not included in the 3 responses to other peers' posts. So continue to respond to what others are saying about your post, but still you need to get those 3 peers that you're replying to their initial post. Hope that makes sense. Then I want to just go over the application activity because it's a little confusing, so listen carefully. If you have a job already, the way you answer the questions will be different than those that do not have a job yet. So let me click on the application activity. Once I do that, you'll see here you will have learned about academic planning and career exploration. Now it wants you to look for information about 2 careers. And up here it says, it's in your pre-gathering that you do this. You go to a website and it has you write down 2 careers that you're interested in learning about. But if you already have a career, you're going to talk about your current career right now or your job, and then one. You'll just pick one that was interesting to you in that website. If you don't have a job right now, then you're going to write about the 2 from this website that you discovered. So using those, you're going to pull up the template. And I just, every semester, this can be confusing, and so I want to make sure I clear it up. Using the 2 careers, either 2 ones that you explored on that website, if you don't have a job right now, or if you do have a job, your job, and one other. Okay? Answer the questions, and it's that note is what I just explained. So it says, what career did you choose? So you'll type in there. If I am a nurse right now, I would type a nurse. Okay? What's the average income for a person's career? Will it be sufficient for your needs? Well, I'm already in the career, so here's my question. What is your current career and how did you get started in it? Nursing. I took some courses in my primary classes, whatever you would write. So I'm answering about my current job. What level of education is required? Or what defines success in your current career? Oh, that one's for me. The second question is for me because it's my current career. Success in my career of nursing is defined, and I would answer my question. Does Beredo have this? And you answer those questions or one around you. Or, here's the question I need to answer. What risk might be associated if I decide to stay in my career? So then I would answer that one. So I'm answering the or questions if I already have a job. After I've done that and answered that or one, now it's time for me to write about a career that I explored and discovered on that website. So I did one about my current job, and now maybe an interesting one was being a teacher. What's the average income? Don't just guess and say, because it says, will it be enough and sufficient for your needs and wants? Don't say, they make a lot, and yes, it's enough. That's too general. You need to do some research. So you need to look up jobs around you, do a little research about how much they make, and I don't know and if it would be sufficient for your situation. So that's what you do. If you do not have a job right now, you will do the same thing for both of them. So up here, maybe I don't have a job, but it told me that a good career for me maybe would be a car mechanic, someone that works on cars. What's the average income? I'm going to do a little research and find out how much they make. It does not like to delete. Will it be enough for my needs? So I'm going to find out. I will not answer this next question because it's not about my current career. If I'm doing two jobs that I don't have right now. Does that make sense? I hope it does. So I will ignore the or if I'm not writing about my job that I have right now. Let me know if you have questions. This can get confusing. Try to read the instructions and let me know what questions you still have. I'm excited to see what careers you explored and that you discovered would be a fit for you. That ONET online website is fun to see what it says would be a good career for you based on your interests. And I hope this is enlightening and helps you discover some possible careers. And if you are in a career right now and you think, well, I took Pathways to improve my English, I still want you to explore a second career in case maybe down the road you need to change careers or you don't think you are ever going to leave, but maybe you decide to leave and pursue something else. So make sure you do career number 2 even if you do have a job right now. Okay? I am excited for this great week and let me know what I can do for you. Bye, everyone.